Thursdays are always meant for a throwback, and here on Money Time at Money9 English, it's time to give you a throwback of all the personal finance news for the day. I'm Ajay and let's begin. Now, if you're planning to watch Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible this weekend or Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer next weekend at PVR, then there is a big surprise in store for you. PVR Cinemas has introduced pocket-friendly prices for food and beverage items. The cinema chain said it is offering snacks and drinks at unbeatable prices. New offerings include bottomless popcorn and Pepsi, which will be available only from Friday to Sunday. On weekdays, that is from Monday to Thursday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., moviegoers can buy 2 samosas or 1 burger or a combo of 2 sandwiches and 1 Pepsi at just 99 rupees. And speaking of food, stocks of Baba Ramdev Patanjali Foods is available at a discount of over 16%. After close of the first day of the OFS, Patanjali Foods closed 5% lower on Thursday at 1,166 rupees per share. Baba Ramdev is selling his own company at over 16% discount. The OFS floor price is 1,000 rupees, which is 166 rupees lower than Thursday's closing price. Thursday was the first day of the 2-day OFS. Only institutional investors were allowed to apply on the first day, but retail investors can apply tomorrow on the last day and avail a discount of 166 rupees. Baba Ramdev is slated to trim 7% stake in the company through the OFS. Institutional investors have given very positive response to the OFS so far. And speaking of bourses, it's party time at Dalal Street. Sensex breached the historic 66,000 mark for the first time in history in intraday trading today. The rally in the 30-share BSE Sensex was led by Infosys, ICICI Bank and TCS. Global markets were buoyant today on the account of moderation in US CPI inflation data. Global oil benchmark Brent crude, on the other hand, was back to $80 per barrel levels. It's time to look at corporate earnings. Wipro reported nearly 12% year-on-year jump in consolidated PAT in quarter ending June 30, 2023. Wipro reported its first quarter profit at 2,870 crore rupees. Revenue saw muted growth on a yearly basis, while on quarterly and yearly basis, Wipro has reported a fall in the profit and revenue. Overall, Wipro missed street estimates. The stock closed at 394 rupees, up by 2.9% from 391 rupees on the BSE on Thursday. It's now time to look at stock recommendations. So if you're someone who was into stocks, then please have a look. Mantri Finmart founder Arun Mantri has recommended 2 stocks which were in limelight today. First is Godrej Properties, while the second is Hindalco Industries. On Godrej Properties, Mantri has given buy call with target price of 1,710 rupees and 1,590 rupees stop loss. Mantri said that Godrej Properties is looking ready to give a good momentum from the current levels. His second buy call is on Hindalco Industries. He's given a target price of 458 rupees and a stop loss of 425 rupees on Hindalco. Mantri also sees 15% rally coming in for HDFC Bank in the long term. Speaking of stocks, it's time for some IPO updates. Retail investors have gone berserk over Utkarsh Small Finance Bank IPO. They have subscribed the IPO almost 36 times its portion. The total size of the IPO is 500 crore rupees. Its stock was trading at a GMP of 15 rupees on Thursday. Earlier, it had garnered 223 crore rupees from anchor investors. Well, if you're buying high-end properties in Delhi, then get set to shell out more money. High-end properties in Delhi will become more costlier. The Kejriwal government has hiked transfer duty on properties in Delhi to 4% from 3% earlier. But this registration charge is only applicable on those properties which are above 25 lakh rupees. So prices are all set to go up for only high-end buildings. Well, it's time to accelerate to some auto news. Honda drove in its new Dio 125 at 83,400 rupees. The two-wheeler boasts of a 125cc engine. There are 2 variants of the model, Standard and Smart. Some of the other striking features are side stand indicator, multifunctional switch for unlocking seat and opening of external fuel lid, and 171 mm ground clearance. We once again come back to Dalal Street. NetWeb Technologies has set IPO price band at 475 to 500 rupees. The initial share sale offer will hit the floors on July 17 and conclude on July 19. The bidding for anchor investors will open on July 14. The total IPO size is 631 rupees, which also includes an OFS, meaning promoters will be trimming their stake in the IPO. Retail investors can subscribe 35% of the total IPO portion. Investors will have a bid for a minimum of 30 shares in one lot. The Delhi NCR-based NetWeb Technologies is one of the country's leading high-end computing solutions providers. It is one of the few OEMs in the country. NetWeb Technology has bagged contracts to manufacture goods under the centre's flagship PLI scheme. The company had profitable fundamentals in FY23. That's it for today here on Money Time at Money9 English. Download the Money9 app and stay tuned to Money9 English's YouTube channel. This is me, Ajay, signing off. Take care and see you all again tomorrow. Until then, good night.